और
मैम
फ्यूचर को क्या
मतलब
आने वाला कल?
क्या
फ्यूचर भविष्य का है।
मैम वो
मैम
बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आता तो इस हिसाब से बोलते हैं ना, बीता हुआ कल तो उसे भूत का, आने वाला
भूत
कल
का।
फ्यूचर
हाँ जी।
अभी चल रहा है वो वर्तमान का।
मैम एक्चुअली फ्यूचर को भविष्य काल बोलते हैं ना मैम।
मैम मतलब हमने कल क्या
हाँ
किया
भविष्य।
था वो बताना है।
परिधि, आप कहाँ पे थे?
मैम
आप क्लासेस
I am absent in classes.
वाई?
मैम
फॉर व्हाट रीजन?
मैम
अब
I
आप
am in tuition.
अब आप क्लासेस
मैम
नहीं अटेंड करोगे तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? पहले आप
मैम
क्लास नहीं अटेंड करे, आप यूट्यूब पे तो सब देख के आओ। यस मिनी?
yesterday we did the present tense, that is a past tense.
दिस इज पास्ट टेंस, टुडे वी विल बी डूइंग पास्ट टेंस। ओके।
Ma'am, please can you tell me you speak what?
परिधि, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? बोलो का क्या समझ नहीं
मैम
आ रहा?
मैम मतलब इसके बारे में हमें क्या बोलना है मैम?
आपने कुछ नहीं बोलना, आपने बस सुनना है कि मैं क्या पढ़ा रही। ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
इज इट क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट रीड दिस past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect tense.
Ma'am, what is first line?
Just a minute, students. Just hold on for a sec. What happened? Okay, students. So, past tense is of four types: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
We can say past indefinite as simple past as well. Okay? What is simple past? Simple past tense is used to describe an action or an event or a condition that occurred in past. ये क्या है? जो एक्शन जो ऑलरेडी इवेंट या कुछ भी जो पास्ट में हुआ है उसको सिंपल पास्ट कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई प्लेड, मैं ऑलरेडी खेल चुकी। ठीक है? इसका
मैम
फॉर्मेट, इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है इस सेंटेंस का? फर्स्ट लिसन, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। क्लियर?
yes ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Few examples for simple past. I visited my grandmother yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. Clear?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, like I eat already.
Hmm?
Ma'am, like I eat already.
To ate, not eat. Second form of verb. Okay.
Okay.
Past simple uses. I got up, switched off the TV, and sat down again. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
It is like simple past का है. It is like the action which has finished in past. जो past में पूरा finish हो चुका है. Clear to everyone? किसी को
Yes
कोई
ma'am.
डाउट यहाँ तक?
Ma'am, like I finished my work.
Okay. Parijit, give chance to everyone else as well. बाकियों को भी बोलने दो. Simple past, past habits. I used and would are also possible. I used to be addicted to chocolates. है ना? मैं पहले होती थी. है ना? Addicted. Clear? I used to be addicted to chocolates. When I was younger, I would get up at 6. When I was younger, actually, I would get up at 6. Now I can't. Not from my side. Why no one is replying? मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मैं किसको पढ़ा रही हूँ?
मैम, yes मैम, no doubt.
अरुण, रानी, नैन्सी, मिनी, मानवी,
ma'am.
क्या हो गया सबको? कोई
यस
बोल ही
मैम।
नहीं रहा. यस मैम. अभी
Yes.
यस मैम सब. Okay. So you can see this screen. What is there for simple past? He,
First.
she, it, we, they सबके साथ it is common. हाँ, negative में simple past में did not लगता है. मैंने बताया था ना, does, do और does कब लगता है? Present tense में. Did कब लगता है? Past tense में. Clear? यहाँ पे कोई was
ma'am.
were अभी कुछ नहीं आ रहा. ये भी ध्यान रखना. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे कोई was were नहीं आ रहा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ verb की second form आ रही है.
मैम,
हाँ जी.
अगर मतलब निगेटिव सेंटेंस आ रहा है डिड नॉट, तो उसमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगा ना?
Yeah.
हाँ 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 हाँ, बिल्कुल
ओके मैम।
बिल्कुल. क्लियर? वो लिखा हुआ है ना स्क्रीन पे. जब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आएगा तो हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म डालेंगे. I closed the window. I didn't close the window. Did I close the window? Pariri, turn off your camera. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now it's time for the exercise. Everyone has to give me the answer. Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. First one is for.
I saw something.
Wait. You broke my window glass. Break का क्या हो गया? Broke. Clear?
Yes
Broke.
ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
dash something near the place. I saw something near that
saw.
place. अब ये एक मैंने
Yes,
करती हूँ.
ma'am.
अब second one is for. Sorry, third one is for Arun.
He came.
He came
Arun.
from
He
London.
came from London.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. He came from London.
Sometimes ago.
Sometimes. Okay. Next is for Nancy.
He came from London. कौन सा बोल
हो
रहा है
चुका
मैम?
ये.
थर्ड या
ये हो चुका. ये हो चुका.
फोर्थ?
हाँ जी, fourth.
She bought an iPhone.
Right. Parijeet, next one.
Ma'am, what? Not or
Fifth,
close? Oh,
fifth
ma'am.
one.
He's not. He's that. Yes, that. He's not.
इस कैसे आ गया?
Ma'am, sorry. He not anyone yet for the mission.
तो चूज कहाँ चला गया फिर?
Ma'am,
choose
He did not choose.
Anyone.
He didn't choose anyone yet for the mission.
Yes, he didn't choose anyone yet for the mission.
sorry,
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Did not के साथ हम form of verb नहीं change
First
करते,
रहते
है
हैं.
ना?
जीवन लगती है.
ठीक है? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one. Karuna.
Did they speak with the committee?
Committee. Yes. Did they speak with the committee?
Yes.
Mini Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one.
He stood on the table all day.
Right. Rani. Next one. Rani. Abdul? Abdul? Preeti?
Ma'am, excuse me.
हाँ जी
Ma'am, 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 can I speak this seventh question?
मैं आपको देती हूँ चांस, पहले मुझे बाकी से पूछ लेना। प्रीति, आर यू देयर?
Ma'am, I am 8-year-old.
I know, Parijit. I know you are 8 years old. Abdul? Okay, Parijit, give me the answer. Seventh one.
Ma'am, he standed on the table all day.
Ma'am,
Standed.
I have
Standard कैसे हो
replied
गया?
already.
Not,
Stood,
no,
I have
Wrong
not
form of
replied.
verb.
standard. Stood.
Stood. Stand. Stood. आगे क्या होता है अरुण?
Ma'am,
Student.
seventh one, I have already replied.
You have already given the answer. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Eighth
मैम ये हमें कराए हुए हैं लेकिन अभी मेरे याद नहीं है।
करने होते हैं। His
Ma'am, eighth
head.
one.
Eighth one. His head struck the door. Strike, struck, struck. Here, next one is for Karuna. Karuna,
Yes, ma'am. Which one, ma'am?
ninth one. अब
Ninth
कहाँ
one.
पे है ध्यान सबका?
Sorry, ma'am. Heard about this
Not
year.
yet. Heard. I heard. Heard.
Heard.
Heard.
Heard. I heard about this earlier.
I heard about this.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Heard. I heard about this earlier.
About this earlier.
Right.
Heard about this earlier.
Heard, not heard. Heard.
Heard. Heard.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am. Heard.
Rani, next one.
Yes, ma'am. The birds flied away in the sky.
Fly, flew,
No,
flown.
Flew again.
flew. The
Yeah,
क्या
bird
हो
flew.
गया?
Sorry.
रानी?
Yes, I'm sorry. Flew.
मुझे शॉक
Yeah,
में
yeah,
डाल
yeah.
दिया आपने, शॉक में।
No, sorry. Just, yeah, I do some work now. I confused, ma'am. That's why. Okay. Yeah, the birds flew away in the sky. Yes, ma'am.
Manvi, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
12th one. Hey, 11th one. 11th one, Manvi.
Ma'am, I think this is the interrogative, no?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Manvi,
Did you sleep with her yesterday?
did you?
Sleep
Sleep.
with her yesterday.
Yes, right. Next one is, our soldiers dash the battle.
Our soldiers won the battle.
Won the
Won the
battle.
battle. Won
Right.
the battle.
Farmers dash committed after hearing this news.
The
Farmers committed suicide after hearing this news.
Oh, sorry. Farmers dash committed. वो मैंने आंसर ही बोल दिया. Farmers committed. He wrote a letter. Next one is 14th one. He wrote a letter
Wrote a
to
letter.
the
Yes.
principal.
Ma'am, can I
Write,
please
wrote,
41?
written. Yes, 15th one.
Ma'am, 15?
An apple.
Apple falls from the tree.
An apple fell from the
Fall
tree.
from the
Fall.
Fell. Fell.
Fall fell.